Hello Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions. In today's video, we're exploring another exciting automation technique. Get ready to learn how to automate your tasks like a pro. Let's get started.
In previous video, we saw how can we use DLL files in our taskboard, and we explored what is DLL, how to use the DLL, or how to get the details of a DLL file. And today we are going to see how can we convert a Word file into a PDF file with the help of a DLL. So we have this DLL file, sample DLL files.dll. I have already uploaded this file into the control room in the previous video, and today we are going to use one function of this DLL file. So let me click on get DLL details, and let me select that file. So this is the function Word to PDF converter. I will select this and click on apply. It requires one input and one output. So in input, we need to give the path of the source file. So here you can see the input has populated automatically. And when we click on this three dots and edit, here you can see we need to give the path. And let me give the path of this Word file and click on close and assign output to variable. So it will assign the output to the variable sample string. And also you can select this run function in background if you want to run this in the background. Let me run the port. So with the help of this function, we can convert our Word file into the PDF file. And for this function is written in the DLL file. And we use C# or we use .NET for writing this function. Similarly, you can write code for your functions or operations, whatever you want to perform. Like I want to perform a conversion, so I write the code for this one. And if you want to perform some another action, you can write the code for that. And if you are not aware of this DLL concept, you can check out our previous video. And this will save the PDF file on the same location where that Word file is available. So that is available in this folder. As of now, we don't have any PDF file in this folder. So Automation Anywhere will save this file. So this DLL, so this method will convert the Word file into PDF, and that PDF will be available here. So let it run.
That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for joining me. Remember to explore our Automation Anywhere A360 and Blue Prism playlists for more in-depth tutorials and tips. Check out our blog for informative articles on RPA and automation best practices. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated on the latest trends and connect with other automation enthusiasts. Join our WhatsApp channel for job updates related to RPA tools and MNC companies. And if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to join our WhatsApp group and connect with experienced RPA professionals. See you in the next video.